pagpag. All of these things we tell ourselves, we convince ourselves, we don't lose anything, but we lose a lot. Next, my dear friends, very common in the Philippines, which is a syncretic nation, occult practices and superstition. Now, I want us to comment in the chat box. Do you know any occult practices or superstitious beliefs? Can you comment there? And we'll see how many we can identify. Pagpag. All of these things we tell ourselves, we convince ourselves, we don't lose anything, but we lose a lot. Tarot cards, albularyo. We lose our unabashed faith and trust in the Lord. The scriptures tells us in the Old Testament, let no one be found among you who practices divination or sorcery, interprets omens, engages in witchcraft. It says further, they sacrifice to demons, not God. Alam niyo po ba yung padugo? Here you can teach and you can see all forms of divination, magic, and superstitions are to be rejected.